Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you, I was playing with this Hunkdory paper collection, and it was called, I don't think I had a name on there. So it came with this magazine, like if you have ideas, it taught you some ideas in here that you can use in here. And it showed you all kind of like Tonic Studios and Stamped by Chloe, Hunkdory, and Joanne. Just all kind of magazines they have. And this is card ideas that you can use, like Hello Spring and this card. So that's the magazine. Then it also came with this stamp set. Had like this design and this flower and this where it says it's beautiful. And then it also comes with a stamp set with flowers and sentiments. And then also you get this 5x5 embossed photo of this tea set. So that was that. And then also it came with this thing. It had 2 paper collection that came with. This one was called the Rosy Moments, and this is some of the paper I had left with it. There's this one and some of this one. These heavy ones like these were like card blanks, and you got 4 card blanks that you can use. They're not double-sided, and they really thick cardstock. And then you have some pattern paper that's double-sided, and then you just have like regular paper. This is kind of thin, like those. You have a few of those that you can use. I don't know what you really could use those for, because you got like the one design in the corner and then the rest is blank. So unless you cut this piece off here on the side and use that somehow, I haven't figured out what I'm going to use that because it's like really one design paper. And then here's another printed paper you came with it. Is like flowers and some hearts on the side. And then for the Rosy Moments, you get birthday wishes, no, birthday bubbles, stickers, and sentiments. And then also for the Rosy Moments, you get the pretty posies, which I used just about. Only got a few left designs on that one. That was that side. And then it also came with another side called Hello Spring. And Hello Spring had sunshine florals with sentiments and their ephemera. And you can also do like Easter on there also, thank yous. If I opened it soon, I could have used it for Easter, but you know, hindsight's 2020. Then on this one is Blush and Blooms. On here, this one could be, you could use also for Mother Days. I thought at first it went with this collection here, but apparently not. So they sound say this is Hello Spring. Honestly, I would think this would be more for Rosy Moments, but okay, they're thinking. So then here's some of the more of that white paper with the one design in the middle. It's the middle and the corner. And then like that one. This is more like on the bottom. And then here is the cardstock. It's really pretty nice cardstock, and it's really pretty. And look how it has flow on some of them. So if you want, like if you have silver flow, you can bring it into here, and it would match perfect with it. Oh, this one goes this way. Flowers. Oh, this is pattern paper here. This is this side. And then this side, and that one looks like that one. And here's the cardstock. And then here's another cardstock. And that's what came in the collection. Oh no, not too bad. So I'm gonna show you what I made so far. I used the Rosy Moment so far to play with. And I'm gonna show you the cards I made. So here I made this one, and I took some of that cardstock and cut it down, and then took some twine and put it on the side, and then I took a piece of the double-sided paper, and then I took one of those ephemeras, and then I took a sentiment that says my friend, no, my special friend. This is the A2, and then I made another A2, and I took a piece of the another piece of the cardstock and did a thinner side piece, like a band type thing. And then I took a cardstock and cut it down to just enough. And then they had like the flowers, and I put your sweet on here. Oh yeah, back behind here, there is printed paper behind here. You can see a little bit of it. And then I made a 5x7. This one is a circle version of it. And this one says, "Sunny birthday wishes." And I popped up, no, this lace, the outer and the inner lays down flat. And I popped up the center, the flower bases. And then, in this blue paper, blue cardstock came out of my stash, actually. It didn't come with the card, with the kit. It came out of my stash. And then I made another 5x7, this from the old version with the pink cardstock. And this time I popped up the outer and the inner and laid the inside flat. And it says "Thanks a bunch." And this is my card share. Until next time, like and subscribe. I'm going to come back with some more, probably with a collection. I don't know. Until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.